There are two things everyone seems to agree on: that a tragedy occurred and laws were broken. The fight now is over who failed to ensure accountability and how loopholes in the law prevented proper oversight. Kappa Sigma's fight night was billed as an amateur boxing match for charity. Nathan Valencia, a member of the Sigma Alpha Epsilon fraternity at UNLV, was matched against Emmanuel Aleman of Kappa Sigma in the 9th fight of the night. It was billed as the main event. Kappa Sigma's fundraiser had been going on for years, but it took a tragedy to spotlight everything wrong with how it had been organized.
I can attest in this commission hearing there are clear violations of Nevada revised statute that resulted in a young man's death. It should have never happened because people were irresponsible, worked around the system, and didn't follow the law. Clearly. Now, whether they had intent to do that or not, I can't attest to that, but those are the facts.
Nevada Athletic Commissioner Anthony Marnell said proper oversight may even have prevented the fight from happening.
This issue has been going on in the state of Nevada for decades, and there are commissioners that have fought to change this law for decades to no avail through our legislative process. It's unfortunate this man had to pass away to get there, because we should have been there long ago. There were complaints about this forever from this commission to not allow any type of fighting in the state of Nevada under any circumstances without the Nevada State Athletic Commission's oversight. And this is exactly why. And when you read this report, this is a cluster beyond belief from one end to the other on organization, promotion, safety, inspection, drugs, alcohol in the ring. I mean, really, a referee drinking in the ring? This is great. I mean, what are we doing here?
Immediately after the event, Valencia appeared to be in distress and was unable to stand as the winner of the fight was announced. He collapsed and spectators called 911. Valencia was taken to Sunrise Hospital by ambulance. He was placed on life support and died 4 days later of a reported brain bleed.
I'm not saying that we banned this type of stuff, but it has to have oversight and regulation. Because in my opinion, after reading this report and all of the other things, this would have not have happened. And if it did, that young man would have been on his way to UMC in an instant. And he would have been going to even the right hospital, the only hospital in our city that can take care of a brain bleed.
The Attorney General's report suggests other factors were in play. Factors Metro says support Valencia's death as a sports-related accident. The report says he lost too much weight too quickly leading up to the event, upwards of 15 to 20 pounds to make weight for the fight. And when that happens, there is loss of water around the brain, which could have played a part in the injuries sustained by Valencia.
And it's clear in the medical report and based on the stuff that was done that this young man looked like he was having a hard time with even minor head trauma during sparring and training.
Yet another reason Metro cited for not seeking charges in the case.
How are we going to go out and conduct a criminal investigation when we have experts or other people weighing in that say those type of things?
In the end, everyone agreed change needs to happen, so nothing like this can ever happen again. Center Ring Boxing was to receive the proceeds from the fight, but donated the money to the Valencia family to help with medical and funeral expenses. No one from the charity, the event center, or the fraternity would talk to commissioners or to the media, citing the ongoing civil lawsuit. Darcy Spears, 13 Investigates.